Let me introduce what's known as the queen of knots, the Alpine Butterfly. Now, the Alpine Butterfly is a knot that can be tied mid-line and is commonly used as an attachment point, just like this. It can bear load in any direction and won't bind up on itself. So you could use it as a grab handle or for hoisting or hanging tools, and a few other really cool uses which I'll show you at the end. To tie it, it's very simple. Create a bite and just slide your hand through. Now we're just going to wrap it around your hand twice, which should create a total of 3 wraps with the ends extending in opposite directions. And just before I start, think of this as the under, over, under knot. Now see this middle loop? You're going to reach under and grab that middle loop and just pull it through, pull some slack, bring it over the 2 remaining loops, and now back under them to the front. Under, over, under. We're going to grab that loop, then just grab the 2 back ends tight, pull them together first, and then we're going to pull them apart second, and it's going to lock that loop perfectly in place, creating the Alpine Butterfly. The beauty of this knot is no matter how hard you pull on either end, it's not going to bind up. Unlike more common loop knots like the noose or the slip knot, which if you pull the ends, it'll just cinch up. Another lesser known use in this knot is if you find a fray in your line, you can isolate it just like this. Just wrap it around so your fray is exactly on that middle wrap, the one we're going to pull underneath, up and over, and underneath again. Now when you tighten it all up, that frayed part of the rope doesn't receive any tension at all. So you could pull on that line and it's as if that fray wasn't even there. And my absolute favorite use for this knot is to secure and retrieve a rope when you cast it on a high branch without having to climb the tree. Normally, if you'd want to tie a rope high up in a tree, you've got to climb the tree, tie to a branch, or slip a carabiner there and pull the rope all the way up. But that rope can easily get stuck up there, and that leads you to climb in the tree just to get the carabiner off. With the Alpine Butterfly though, it could be retrieved just like this. Cast your line up and over the tree like normal, thread your line through the butterfly, then just keep pulling and that butterfly will slowly raise until it's tight to the tree at the top. Now you could pull on that line and it's completely secured to the branch. When you're ready to take it down, you pull on the line that has your butterfly attached and the whole thing comes down. If you like this style of tutorial and want to learn more, check out this video here. This is DJ with the Bare Essentials and your camping tips. Thank you.